In 1994, when I was in Form 1, I was raped by my biological father. After being raped, I became pregnant and he had to beat me so that I would not tell anyone. But I told my auntie and my grandmother and they did nothing about it. I later gave birth to a baby daughter and left the child in the care of my parents and got married. My husband later died and I had to come back home with two other children. I left the other two children from marriage in the care of my parents as well as the one I had with my father. They become three. As years passed, my father raped the child that he had with me and she became pregnant and gave birth. My father then raped my other child. I had left home well but did not come pregnant. I reported the case to police station in January of 2018 to the police and they told the case had taken too long to be reported. For me, it was painful why my father raped me as well as my two daughters. As it stands after having reported the case to the police, I am not sure how it will proceed because it seems like the matter is not being taken seriously.